My name is Fernanda Fortes de Lena. I'm a demographer. I've been working at CED for 2 years now. I specialize in demography of sexualities, social stratification, and internal migration. I really love working in this field. I feel like I'm making a difference, especially because there's not that much data on sexual minorities, so I feel like the work that I do is also helping to show that we need more data and then we need better data on sexual minorities. I really love demography in general. I think demography has this unique quality of being in the intersection of many fields. And I remember when I started studying demography, that was definitely something that really was very appealing to me. I also like that demography has it is kind of a powerful tool that you can use to demystify a lot of common sense that we have about the world and about population. And this is definitely something that I really love doing and working with.
Hi, I'm Giulia. I work as a postdoctoral researcher here at the Center for Demographic Studies. I'm a sociologist and I'm interested to study whether family and inequalities are interrelated in contemporary societies. On the one hand, I'm interested in investigating whether inequalities influence the family formation of individuals, but on the other hand, whether the characteristics of the family of origin have a consequence on individuals and their family transitions. For instance, here at CED, I work on a project that studies how parental wealth is associated with their children's fertility transitions. Here at CED, I have the opportunity to work and to discuss with a lot of researchers from different fields, and I find it an environment in which I could have a lot of opportunities to enrich my career as a social researcher. So I'm very happy to be here and to work here.
Hola, me llamo Giulia Almeida y soy doctora en demografía y hace 2 años que trabajo como investigadora postdoctoral en CED, trabajando especialmente con estudios en salud y mortalidad. Para mí, las investigaciones demográficas son más que solo comprender la dinámica poblacional y la dinámica de los componentes demográficos, y sino comprender los cambios sociales, políticos y económicos a lo largo del tiempo. Entonces, investigaciones así pueden ser una importante fuente de información no solo para la formulación de políticas públicas, pero también para mejorar la calidad de vida de toda la gente.
Hola, soy Laura Marván Martínez, una estudiante del doctorado en el Centro de Estudios Demográficos desde abril de 2021. Me decidí a realizar el doctorado porque siempre he tenido un especial interés en estudiar el conflicto, el reto de la despoblación, cómo ha evolucionado a lo largo del tiempo, los factores que han influido, las políticas que se han llevado a cabo para combatirlo. Esto siempre, como he dicho, me ha atraído, y el campo que mejor podría estudiarlo de forma completa sería la demografía. Mucha gente piensa que un demógrafo se dedica solamente a estudiar de forma estadística datos y otras bases numéricas, pero es verdad que también una parte muy fundamental de este trabajo se dedica a entender las relaciones con la comunidad individuales de forma interpersonal. Digamos que la unión entre el análisis estadístico y también la perspectiva social hace de la demografía un campo clave de estudio. También considero que el papel de la mujer en este campo es fundamental, ya que se podrían llevar a cabo otros estudios desde una perspectiva de género y siempre puede favorecer a cualquier análisis. Y también considero que es muy importante abrir el paso a nuevas generaciones de demógrafas que puedan también contribuir al análisis de la demografía.
Hi, my name is María André López Gómez and I'm a postdoctoral researcher here at the Center for Demographic Studies. I'm in the Health Inequalities Group under a Beatriz de Pinos Fellowship. I consider myself a social epidemiologist. I study the social causes of disease and I'm specifically interested in occupational health, safety and well-being. I study work-related factors and how they impact the health of workers and also their capacity to make a decent livelihood. I've been working with different worker populations throughout the years. Some of them include patient care workers, bus drivers, and fish harvesters and their capacity to make a decent livelihood. Right now, the project I'm working on is with the general population of Spain and their working lives, how it affects the unemployment, periods of unemployment, periods of inactivity, and how this affects their health and also their time at retirement in this discourse of delaying the retirement age. I'm very interested in social epidemiology because it really gets to the causes of the disease, and it is the cause of the cause of the cause. It is the root of the problem, and it's easier to make recommendations for prevention of how work can interact with other aspects of workers and improve their conditions at work. For example, how work intersects with gender, with race, with socioeconomic class, and also with education. We know that people with lower education have different opportunities than those with higher education, and so on and so forth. So yes, I'm very excited to be doing this at the Center for Demographic Studies.